The kitchen is the perfect setting to socialize, stimulate all the senses, and provide the person living with dementia with an achievable and delicious end goal. So, let's get cooking! These are the terms that will be referenced in this video. Please consult the glossary for the full definitions. Throughout the activity, you'll see these icons appear. We'll use them to provide you with quick tips, difficulty indications, and safety guidelines. Pay particular attention to this safety symbol. We've provided lots of useful recommendations to help you minimize risks or accidents when participating in the activity. You can also view all the guidelines in our safety checklist. The safety guidelines and the glossary are available on the McGill Dementia Education Program website, where you can also download a copy of the activity booklet. This slider will appear to demonstrate how to vary the activity. Lighter means easier, darker means harder. While you think about what to make, consider the typical kitchen items you'll need. These will likely include mixing bowls, utensils, a measuring cup, cutting board, and assorted pots and pans, to name but a few. You may even need small appliances like a blender or food processor, depending on the recipe that you choose. Now let's have fun and get started. The first step to cooking any meal or snack, even before gathering the materials, is deciding on a recipe. Depending on the stage of their dementia, you can talk it over first or pick something you already know they will enjoy. This anticipation promotes their enthusiasm for the task at hand and helps increase the appetite for those individuals whose taste and smell have been impaired. Be sure to consult the activity booklet for more ideas and recipes. Pay attention. Many recipe options involve being around a hot stove or oven. This requires extra diligence and should be taken into account when choosing a recipe. Once you know what you're making, place everything you'll need on the counter, including the ingredients and equipment. This is a great way to work efficiently, stay focused, and put all your energy towards the fun part, cooking and being together. Preparing the ingredients is the next step. Wash, measure, roll, peel, and chop away as needed. The person with dementia can be involved in any or all of these steps. Knowing how to pivot to another plan will always be necessary. Easily adjust by handing them ingredients you've prepared or measured and putting them in charge of mixing or stirring. If you like, you can use frozen or pre-cut ingredients. Need more of a challenge? The person you are caring for may prepare a whole meal from scratch. Stay by their side to supervise and act as their assistant. Be encouraging while also vigilant. Spills happen. No need for frustration. Wipe them up immediately to avoid a fall. It's now time to assemble or cook your meal. If the individual is having trouble focusing that day or is in the middle stage of dementia, you can still spend time in the kitchen together. Involve them in the steps they're comfortable doing. Or forget the stove. Pick a recipe that comes together quickly and doesn't require cooking or baking, like assembling cheese and crackers on a plate. A person in the late stages can still enjoy being in the kitchen with you, watching you prepare a meal, taste testing along the way, and enjoying the aromas makes them feel part of the activity. No matter what you prepare, kitchen safety is important for everyone, but especially for a person living with dementia. We're finally at the best part, delicious food and sharing a meal together. That's the real reward. Few activities engage all 5 senses like cooking does. Bonus, using their hands is a great way to get a little fine motor skills and dexterity workout in too. You can find more recipes and inspiration in the activity booklet. And don't hesitate to explore the internet for other dishes they may enjoy, making and eating. Bon appétit!